Hey, hello, welcome back to Gadgettech. Today I will show you new invention gadgets on Amazon. That is another level. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. This is Nemeo. We realize that keyboards need to adapt to your 21st century needs. So the Nemeo team set out to provide a solution. Nemeo is a keyboard for anyone. Use it anywhere, in any language. Customizing Nemeo to suit your needs. Nemeo is an e-paper technology that provides infinite possibilities. Choose who created the layout that works for you. Use it at the office. Use it as a home. Use it on the go. Nemeo is so easy to use, connects to any device using Bluetooth. Nemeo as a modern and compact design means that you can take it wherever you go. It's compatible with all languages in the alphabet. Nemeo is designed with you in mind, so you can take control of your workflow and create the shortcuts that save you time. Experience freedom at your fingertips. The future keyboard is now. The future keyboard is Nemeo. This is Master Box. We've re-engineered an ordinary fidget cube into a Bluetooth device, with a whole load of useful functions, and fitted into this compact cube in my hand. A handheld trackball you can easily control with your thumb. When you flip the top, it's also a fully functional joystick. It also features a laser pointer, to make it the perfect gadget for your presentation, along with a micro SD card slot. And last but not least, of course, it's the primary purpose of a fidget toy. The Master Box project was inspired by the fidget cube. Our engineering team has enabled Bluetooth connection into a compact Master features Bluetooth 4.0 that connects seamlessly to your laptop. Compatible with Windows and Mac, simply pairing the Master Box with your device, it gives you the ability to control your presentation through media center and internet problem. It has a wireless handheld trackball mouse with a left-right click function. A joystick is capable of remote controlling VR video for your home media center. Master Box is also a brilliant wireless presenter, featuring a micro SD card slot and a laser pointer. Hello, creative, dreamer, freelancer, entrepreneur. We are all living in a fast-changing digital era, and we all use technology that allows working anywhere. Nevertheless, the inner dialogue of creation, planning, writing, and sketching on paper is not replaceable with technology. It is complementary. We introduced a BBlau planner and creative notebook. The ideal tool for today's workers, the digital nomad. It is the perfect combination of sleek design, flexible planner, creative notebook, and smart organizer. That will take your work life and personal projects to another level. Its flexible planner adapts to each personality and way of doing things, with enough structure and guidance for helping you make your dreams and ideas become a reality. Its subtle dot-grid design enables this creative notebook to become your aid for structure when needed and unleashes your creativity without limiting it. The embedded smart and flexible organizer allows you to customize it to your specific needs and lifestyle. Take your essentials with you, capture your creative thoughts, and plan to make them a reality anywhere with this unique product. We are BBlau, and we want to make your work life easy, smart, and flexible. BBlau is a Kickstarter-born company, thanks to more than 7,000 people who help us launch our range of portable desktop organizers. We have successfully delivered more than 12,000 products from our previous crowdfunding campaign. Now we're back on Kickstarter. After months of research, design, and development work, while working with the best manufacturers to achieve great quality products, and having collaborated with the experts and co-created with our users, we proudly present you BBlau Planner and Creative Notebook. This is LaserPecker 2. The new ultra-portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine. Adopt the most advanced technology so far. Industrial high-speed galvanometer solution. 10 times the speed increase. This means that's super fast. The high-speed preview program supports square preview and graphic preview. You get what you see. An upgraded 5-watt semiconductor laser with compressed spot technology. This means you can engrave anything and it will give you higher power and more possibility. The features of LaserPecker Pro are more amazing than before. It makes engraving easier, handheld portable engraving, 360-degree rotating engraving, intelligent mobile engraving. The maximum size that can be engraved is 100 by 200 millimeters. Suitable for various materials. Motorized height adjustment, easy operation, 5-watt power, supports cutting wood, paper, acrylic, leather goods with thickness blue 5 milliliters. If you need to engrave 1 or 100 products, LaserPecker Pro will engrave at an amazing speed. LaserPecker Pro has the highest level of security protection. Super portable, put it in your backpack. Turn on the power and you can use it anytime, anywhere. LaserPecker can only capture the smallest details. We have been working so hard to improve the portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine. Now, we are back. Be the first one to enjoy LaserPecker 2. The super fast laser pecker 2.